Hey guys, have you ever visited a farm? What animals lived on the farm? What do you think those animals eat? What kind of sounds do you think those animals make? Can you remember what that big word that we learned called onomatopoeia means? We're going to read a story about a farm. Are you ready? Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With the cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With the moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. That really wasn't a story, but it was a song. Okay, now who worked on the farm? Do you remember? What do farmers do? I want you to sing the song that I just sang and ask your mom or your dad to record a video and send it to me on Class Dojo. Tell your family member your favorite animal sound. And what do you think would be the best part about living on a farm? Thanks.